Well, welcome back to the DD channel. I've got it functioning again. And I have this chuck here, testing it out. And it's running better than a 0.5 of an inch. See? How about that? I use this OEM jaw loading device to load the jaws, and you get that kind of results from it. Well, anyway, I'm back on this channel, and I'm gonna do more precision setups, machine work, using the Axelson, the Monarch 10EE jig borer, and this horizontal mill, cutter grinder. And I want to point out, and I have several times, I grind cutters different than some cutter grinding service. I've learned a few things in woodworking about getting cutters sharper. And if I can, depending on the cutter, I will use the finger on the heel of the cutter. And I'm tired of the nonsense of that, and I'll probably forever block anybody that gives me any crap about how I grind cutters. You grind them the way you want to, I grind them the way I want to. And the people that give me crap don't have a channel or nothing. So any crap like that is goodbye forever. I hate to be that way, but I'm just not going to tolerate it. I consider it harassment. Okay, so back in business on the DD channel. I've got the other channel I'll link to, Don Dyer Machining. I think I'll change it to Harley Davidson Machining. And I'll keep the Harley Davidson stuff on that channel, the machinery stuff here on this channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate the donations that are sent to me, and I managed to get a PayPal link, and if you feel like donating, it'll be greatly appreciated and will further help this channel. Okay, have a great day. I'll do a little bit of a machinery slideshow here, and I'll be back on this channel and the other channel. Okay, bye.